Hello and welcome. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a bar plot that is pretty close to APA style in JASP. Now, up until this semester, this feature hasn't been available. In fact, I can't do it on my own computer right now because I can't update JASP to the newest version unless IT does it for me. So I am actually making this video in a Porto. So we've run our ANOVA, attractiveness being our dependent variable, alcohol being our independent variable. It populates up the ANOVA table there showing you the F and the P value. Hopefully you clicked your descriptive statistics so you have your mean and your standard deviation. And then I'm going to come down here to bar plots. So I get to bar plots, and this is what I don't have this feature in my JASP, but if you have the newest edition, you should have it. And whatever ANOVA you're doing, that dependent variable is going to be the dependent variable for the bar plot. Now I'm going to move my independent variable. For most of you, it's probably going to say condition, but the only choice I have here is alcohol, and that's my condition in this ANOVA. And I move it over here, and then if I scroll down, I can see a pretty close to APA style bar plot or graph here. Now we need error bars. That's what's missing. Come down here, we click error bars, but confidence interval is what's the default. We want standard error. You'll see it's going to change there. So this is the standard error that's presented up here in this descriptive tables. And if you look, you can see, so 0 drinks was 4.98. You can see this is about 4.98. 1 drink, 5.68. You can see that sits right about here. And 2 drinks, a little bit over 6. So it is representing my data. All right, so now I'm going to copy this figure into Google Doc. I can't do it in Word because a Porto will not let me access Word. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy it as an image. Now I tried this on my own computer with someone else's generated bar plot, and I was able to just copy it and paste it into Word. But if you're using Google Docs, this works just as well. So I'm going to save the image as, and I'm going to save it as a bar plot. You save it wherever. It's only letting me save it in pictures, but you save it wherever you need to. And then I'm going to go to my Google Doc that I opened up, and I'm going to type in figure 1. And then I'm going to, it should be double spaced, so then I'm going to type in my title, means and standard. And then I'm going to upload that image. So I'm going to go to here. I'm going to upload from, so it looks like a little picture. I'm going to upload from computer, find the right file, and voila. Now this needs to be italicized, and this needs to be in bold. But now I have my figure. So that's an easier way than making it in Excel.